Rebel's Handbook, Quest for the Quietly Curious. Every adventure begins with a question. Is this fiction or nonfiction? Part
It's
story?
a nonfiction technically.
Okay.
It's
Cool.
for young like teens, tweens.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So like definitely a little bit of confusion with that right away. Just like I spoke with the first student about the cover, right? How I was a little confused on like exactly what by just looking at the cover, what's the book going to be telling me.
Mhm.
Yours, especially if it's designed for what age group? Under
Tweens and teens.
17? Yeah,
Yeah.
like I would like we probably need a different color combination. I would
Yeah,
say.
it's come out really
Um,
dark. It's supposed to be
yeah,
green, like forest green, but it looks really
that's
dark on.
forest green. That's just dark forest green.
Oh, yeah, yeah, it's too dark. Okay.
Yeah. So like I would definitely do that. And then like I still don't fully understand what it is. I would assume it's speaking up, and for shy people, I don't know.
Yeah,
Do
like
you
yeah,
see, and
respectfully rebellious. Yeah, I know it's hard like wanting to balance a bit of inciting curiosity.
yeah,
Um it that
but
yeah, is
like
a part of what it's about.
for your first book, we're not going to sweat any of that. You got it up, you got it published. Sweet. Like that's solid, right? Keep working on the A plus and keep sharing it with friends and family and take the win. As you publish your second book and as you know, if you want to build a business with it, you're going to learn so much more of how to do it when it's like find a topic, understand the customer and, focus on that type of thing. But like you accomplished a massive goal.
Thank
Take
you.
the
Yes,
win.
thank